Did you know you can get steaming hot water straight from the sun? No electricity? No gas? Just nature's power? Here's the secret. A solar water heater uses sunlight to do the job. It works with these dark panels, called solar collectors, that absorb heat from the sun. Think of them as a hot plate powered by sunlight. Cold water flows through these pipes, and as it passes the heated collectors, it soaks up all that solar energy, turning chilly water into hot water magic. No sunlight? No problem. Many systems have insulated tanks that store hot water, keeping it warm for when you need it. So next time you enjoy a warm shower, thank the sun. Want to uncover more amazing mysteries of how things work? Hit subscribe and let's explore together.